Good morning. I'm going to show you how to make boiled eggs in a rice cooker today. They're actually technically not considered boiled eggs because there's no boiling of the eggs. And the eggs are not actually even submersed in water. This is technically considered steaming, and you can do this in any rice cooker. So my rice cooker is a little bit different from a standard rice cooker in that you put water in this bowl, then you put the rice bowl in this bowl, and then water in there. So the eggs or the food in the rice bowl cooks, and then it also gets steamed from this outer water. A traditional, typical cheaper rice cooker, which there's nothing wrong with. I had them for many years. Has a heating element that you're not supposed to put any water in. The water goes solely in the bowl. But most of them come with a little wire rack that you can set inside the bowl, and you can steam vegetables that way. So it's the same process, just a little bit different setup. So I'm going to start out by putting water in my bowl up to the bottom of the grate. So if you have a like a Sultan rice cooker where you're putting the bowl in directly on the element, but you put your little wire rack in your rice bowl. You want the water level with the steaming rack. It could be a little over, that's okay too. And we're just gonna place our eggs. I don't like the eggs to be touching the side of this particular cooker because the sides are the heating element and they will get really hot and they could break. These pretty eggs. I'm going to cover it up, and that water was cold. I'm just going to turn it on and I'm going to run it for 24 to 25 minutes. And the same would be true in a regular rice cooker. Now, some rice cookers run a little hotter than others, so when you first try it, maybe do just a couple eggs, one egg, do it for 24 or 25 minutes, and then check at the end. You'll check and see, is the egg cooked to your preference? Does it need to be cooked a little bit longer next time or a little bit shorter next time? Timer is set, and I'm going to prepare a bowl of ice water to plop them into when they're done. And steamed eggs that have been cooled quickly in ice water are super, super easy to peel. I will never boil eggs again. All right, my timer's gone off, so I'm just going to turn off my rice cooker. Oh, one of my eggs ruptured. Excuse me. Yeah, one of them pre-cracked. That sometimes happens. Not real often, but that one will get eaten first.
Enslaved chicken friend.
And because it's winter, I'm actually going to take these and put them outside in the snowbank. I'll just let them chill here for a little while, and then they can come inside and they're done. And I'll show you how easy they peel. All right, I'm going to demonstrate how easy it is to peel your steam boiled egg. I did record this yesterday, but the recording of me peeling the egg was completely unusable due to technical difficulties, so I'm recording again today. So you tap it where you think the air spot is, the air bubble. And it's just super easy to peel. The peel or the shell doesn't stick as much. Now you're gonna probably see some suggestions out there where you take the egg and roll it on the counter, or I think I've seen one where it was suggested that you put them all in a pot and shake it. And what you end up with is a bajillion tiny little pieces that are a pain in the butt to pick off. If you just tap it where you think the air hole is, you're going to get it off in larger pieces, and they come off so easy. There's apparently another technique where you break it a little bit and then you hold it under cold water, and that gets in under the shell and helps it separate easily. I haven't tried that, but this works so much easier than standard boiled eggs. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and like it. Throw a comment down below if you want to, or if there's anything you want to see. And subscribe for more fun cooking videos.